So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy Solana in your FHSA or your first home savings account here in Canada using Wealthsimple. So once you're into the Wealthsimple app, make sure to open up your not your TFSA account, your FHSA account, your first home savings account. Once that is done, press on where it says trade. So for me, it's actually sort of in the middle bottom left area. Press on where it says trade right here. Now at the top, what you can do is simply type in ticker symbol SOL for Solana. So under cryptocurrencies right here, Solana's right here. Or what you can do if you don't know the ticker symbol, you can go to the bottom left here, press on the magnifying glass to the discover screen, press on the crypto tab. So between the ETFs and the options buttons, press on crypto. Then where it says top crypto, press on more. Then for me, it's 4 options down. It says Solana right here. Press on Solana, ticker symbol SOL. Go to the bottom left, press on buy. Now, if you wanted to change this from market buy to another buy, just go to the top left here, press on market, and you can now edit it to a limit type order type or a recurring buy order type. So whatever works there. You can type in the quantity that you're willing to buy, the amount that you're willing to pay, and the crypto account that you have funded right now. It'll show you your balance available. So for me right now, it's at 0. Which means I can't make a purchase, but if you wanted to go through all this stuff, once that is done, press on review your purchase, and there you go. Pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can buy Solana inside of your FHSA or your first home savings account here in Canada using Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.